Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Positive Vibes with Simran. In this video, I am going to share with you the most effective home remedy to control hair fall, that is onion hair oil. Onion hair oil has gained a huge popularity in recent times to control hair fall. So how to prepare this hair oil at home? Does it really work for all kind of hair falls? Who should use it and who should not? What should be the exact proportion of each ingredient in this hair oil? So to get answers of all such kind of questions, watch this video till end.
So to prepare onion hair oil, we need coconut oil, onion juice and onion paste. So to prepare onion juice and paste, we need some fresh purple onions. I am specifically talking about purple onions because they are having more juice in them. Now chop those onions and extract their juice and paste with the help of a blender. You can separate onion juice and paste with the help of a strainer also. So in this way we have obtained onion juice and onion paste. Now let us move forward to the second part of our video, which is the most important one, that is measurements. Make sure that each and every ingredient should be measured properly, otherwise your onion hair oil will not be effective. Here I am using measuring glass. If you do not have this measuring glass, you can use tablespoon method also. So to prepare 50 ml of onion hair oil, we need 50 ml of coconut oil, which is equivalent to 10 tablespoons. Now further we need 200 ml of onion juice, which is equivalent to 40 tablespoons. Now further we need 2 tablespoons of onion paste, which is equivalent to 6.25 ml. So in this way we have obtained these all ingredients in right proportion. Now take a pan and do not turn on the flame while adding ingredients into it. Now start adding coconut oil, onion juice and onion paste into it. Now mix all ingredients well. After mixing all the ingredients, now you can turn on the flame. Keep stirring this mixture and you have to cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. To increase the effectiveness of onion hair oil, here I am adding kalonji seeds or black seeds. These are optional. If you want to increase its effectiveness, then you can add it. Now you have to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. After that, strain it with the help of a cheesecloth. So in this way our onion hair oil is ready. Now let me tell you how to use this onion hair oil in the right way to get 100% results. What is the shelf life of this onion hair oil and how long you have to use it to control your hair fall.
So how long should you use this hair oil to get desired results? You have to continuously use this hair oil for about 3 months. Yes guys, it will take 3 months. But you have to be consistent. Use this hair oil twice a week. Massage it well into your hair roots and wash it off with normal shampoo and conditioner the next day. If you will use it continuously for about 3 months, I am 100% sure you will get over your hair loss problem. One extra tip which I wanted to give you guys, mix this hair oil with vitamin E capsule oil.
So this is the vitamin E capsule. You have to puncture it with the help of a pin and squeeze out its oil. Mix it with the onion hair oil and apply all over your hair scalp.
So after 3 months, you will observe small baby hairs coming out from your hair roots. This will be the indication that this hair oil is working. But let me clear you guys, it will take 3 whole months. Let me show you mine. These are the small baby hairs which you will observe after using religiously for about 3 months. Now what is the shelf life of this onion hair oil means how long you can use it. You can use this hair oil for about 6 months. So guys, don't lose hope. You will be able to get over your hair loss very soon. Just use this method religiously for about 3 months. You will 100% get desired results out of it. So I have used 2 things to control my hair loss. First one I have shared with you in this video, and part 2 video is coming soon. I will share you my second homemade remedy which will also help in controlling hair fall and enhancing your hair growth. Till then, meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.